we are live at the moment on our YouTube channel, Whiteboard Weather. Thanks for joining today. A quick rundown of your weekend outlook if you have weekend plans. Not going to be a washout. You're going to get the opportunity to get out at least on part of your Saturday, I think, whether it's for baseball, soccer, or perhaps some other outdoor activity, maybe golf. Be able to get around in this weekend. Cloudy day today, a lot of rain this morning. This afternoon, pardon me, not so much, just a couple spotty showers moving through parts of the area, and we'll get you over to radar and you can see the current setup. A couple light showers showing up across parts of Butler County, but again, they're almost drizzly sprinkles. Otherwise, not a lot cooking across the area. I think the best chance to even see a passing shower will be shifting north as we head down through this evening, overnight tonight, and the early part of the day tomorrow. Quick look ahead. This is the climatological outlook from the National Weather Service, the Climate Prediction Center. This is a look at the temperature outlook for the month of April. Right now, March is running about 3 degrees below average. Right now, the outlook for April has temperatures a good chance of above average temperatures, so it looks like we'll flip that script as we head into April. And precipitation, the EC means equal chances, so that's basically telling you there's a decent shot we'll just have normal amounts of precipitation for the month of April. Here are your weather highlights, sort of a cliff notes for the weekend. Very mild tomorrow, then turning colder on Sunday. I think we're looking at about a 20 to 25 degree temperature drop between Saturday and Sunday. It's going to be breezy. What is March Madness? Oh, I don't know. Winds are going to be 10 to 15 miles an hour, some 20 mile an hour gusts. I think that's going to be both days. Then a dry stretch starts Sunday afternoon and continues right through the middle to latter part of next week. Here is the current surface map. Let's get the right one up. You can see that stalled out boundary to our north and west. We talked about the stationary front. One wave of low pressure came across it this morning, and that produced widespread rain, as you know, which didn't last all day. Right now, the front is in the process of actually retreating a bit back to the north and west. It's going to get kind of pulled back in that direction as this area of low pressure approaches. The front kind of bubbles back toward the Great Lakes, and you can see Saturday morning at 7 a.m., that wave is in northwestern Ohio. And I think this is right in that I think it's dry across southwestern Pennsylvania first thing tomorrow morning. Cloudy, but the better chance for more numerous, widespread, more sustained rain showers probably won't come until sometime later tomorrow afternoon, after 2 or 3 o'clock, and into tomorrow evening, because once this wave of low pressure passes by, the front will follow in behind it, and that'll set off widespread rain showers. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. You can see rain more widespread across the area, the front approaching, and then it actually moves through finally tomorrow night and into early Sunday morning. I do think the atmosphere will cool enough by Sunday morning that we'll see some flurries. I don't think it's going to be much, and it's not going to hang on much past about 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning, but don't be shocked if you wake up Sunday morning, there are some flakes in the air for a brief period of time before that moves out, the storm system, and high pressure starts to move in by the end of the day on Sunday and into early next week. You can see this is Monday morning, that high getting closer. So if you have plans for the Pirates home opener, yes, it is going to be sunny, it's going to be dry, but it will be chillier behind that boundary. There'll be a light northerly flow on Monday, but again, there's going to be plenty of sunshine. So let's get to the whiteboard for the weekend. We will start with a quick check of your Pirates home opener outlook. Again, sunshine. If you're tailgating at 11 a.m., 35, by 1 o'clock, 43 at first pitch, up to 47 by the end of the game. Additional rainfall, most of which is going to come tomorrow evening, is going to be about a half an inch for most. Could approach 3/4 of an inch as you get further north near Interstate 80. Forecast tonight, temperature doesn't move much. 50 degrees, the low temperature. Cloudy, mild, I'll include a spotty shower chance. Tomorrow, 64, warm and breezy. Cloudy in the morning, maybe a passing shower, but I think the best chance of showers will be second half of the afternoon and into tomorrow night. As the winds, again, 10 to 15 miles an hour. It will turn colder late tomorrow night, after midnight, down to 34. And we go from 64 on Saturday to 40 for the high on Sunday. Again, that morning flurry chance, brisk and colder. I do think there'll be some late day sunshine, and then a nice start to April. Mostly sunny and 47 Monday, partly cloudy 53 on Tuesday, and mostly sunny on Wednesday with a high temperature of 57 degrees. So that is your whiteboard for the weekend. I hope you have a great one. Always be sure to check out PittsburghWeatherNow.com, not only your home of whiteboard weather, but a lot of other interesting content there, and also an expanding and growing photo gallery. So please check out PittsburghWeatherNow.com. Have yourself a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week.